Hey guys, so today's video is going to be all about the new foundation from Nars, and that is the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. And this is how I got this whole look that I have going on right now. So keep on watching and we're going to get started with the video. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be me trying out some new products, mainly the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. So I picked it up in the color New Caledonia. I used their shade finder on the Nars website. They have like this nice little VR experience where you can put your face and then you can try the shades on your face. I usually wear New Orleans in their foundations, or sometimes I can even get Makiage a little bit with New Orleans and Makiage mixed together is like really perfect for me. But that is not an option. The Makiage that they have for this one is very light, so I did not go with that one. So I picked up New Caledonia, and this foundation is supposed to give you 16 hours of oxidation free matte full coverage foundation realness. I love this foundation. I love the way that it looks on my skin because my skin still looks like, you know, skin. You don't look casket sharp in this, and that is the worry for a lot of people when they wear matte foundations. They don't want to look too dry and just so you still want a little bit of that moisture and that little, you know, life to peek through. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this. This is what the foundation looks like on me, and it does look a little bit deeper right there in that section, but that section is also a little bit lighter on my face. Like my edges and stuff are a little bit darker. It kind of works itself out because I ended up putting on like concealers and stuff. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this is today. So my face is already moisturized, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a primer on. So I picked it up in the shade Deep Brown. Okay, and here is kind of with the little strokes on it. So it's a very light but natural looking pen. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. So I had my eyebrows microbladed about 2.5 years ago, but I only got to do one session because I got pregnant. And I just never went. Well, actually I was going to go, but the girl was like, oh, I gotta charge you all the money again to get your second session. And I'm like, my brows still look great from the first session you did. But she was like, no, I still gotta charge you. I'm gonna charge you the full price again. And I was like, nah, I'm good, love. Face real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead into foundation. Okay, so my face is sprayed, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this foundation. I've already shaken it up, essentially. Just gonna shake it up a little bit more. On my face, and it definitely is giving me like a matte finish, but you know, my little shine still peeking through a little bit. So it's definitely not like matte like sucking all the moisture out your face matte, but it okay guys, so my face is highlighted, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little contour on my face, and I'm gonna be using this aka Neonmua, aka the flyest male makeup artist that I know personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and use his palette, and this is a palette that is good for medium to deep skin tone that is deeper. He can face palette collection with 4 palette and people, one for like medium, one for like medium dark, and one for very rich skin tones. Okay, well, that's pretty. That is pretty. So this is my first time wearing this as well. Wearing the contour shade, so I'm just gonna go a lighter hand, because I don't want, like, you know, I mean, I don't mind looking snatched, but I'm just gonna be sitting in the house because my baby is taking his nap. So I decided to go ahead and film this and use my time wisely today. So I'm just gonna bring that up into my eyebrows. I might do some eye makeup. I'm not really sure yet, which is weird because normally I do my eye makeup first. Add honey under my eye. And this is from Laura Merceir. This is her new powder. This is definitely not like an all over powder for me because I am a deeper girl. But this does make my highlighted areas pop a little bit more, which is what I kind of want. Even though I don't want my contour to be popping as much, but I do like my highlight to pop. Okay, since I'm using new things, I'm gonna go ahead and use this too. Urban Decay was generous enough to send me this beauty like this packaging brush. But here's what it looks like. Like, these are so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something simple. I'm gonna use Tiger's Eye, I think, because yeah, that looks cute. I'm gonna use Hexed and Tiger's Eye because I don't want to do nothing too much that takes a lot of effort, because I don't know if my baby will sleep throughout this whole process. So gotta come with the quick looks, bro. Like, you remember when everybody had that what was it, the black from Urban Decay, because it was just that fantastic. These are giving me that kind of vibe because they're applying so easily on my eye. I kind of almost like just this color on my eyes. Like, I like this, but I think that little Tiger's Eye will give it just a little bit more of a oomph. I'm gonna see how it works with my finger first, because a lot of these shades are made. Oh, okay, see what that's looking like. So a lot of these shades are made. Oh, that is, wow, that is not what I was expecting. Wow. But it is really pretty. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, Urban Decay, I see you, boo. I see you. I see you. Let me go ahead and wipe this powder off before I be looking crazy, which I still may end up looking a little crazy. This blush, and this is a very pretty. This is very pretty. This is my kind of blush. That is the pigment is there. You definitely do not need a lot. Like, that's pretty. That is cute. I feel real cute right now. Like, first time I tried it, I did not really have a lot of makeup on. Okay, I'm back, and I added the Izzie lashes from Nimae Beauty. Use the Estabox Phat eyelash adhesive pen, which I also saw Darius use. Darius be getting me to spend all my money. Bulma from Glamazon Duana. I'm gonna be wearing her shade, and this is named Bulma, and this is a very, very light lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand for you just so you can see. But it's pretty. Like, it's a very like neutral, very light pink brush, so I can blend these colors into each other. And get that nice fade. And I learned this because I never really did my liner like that. I always kind of, you know, just did a little and called it a day. But when I got my makeup done for Centennial at the Golden Nug Always, is it the Golden Nugget or the Golden Nug? I feel like I'm saying this girl's name wrong, but she's beautiful, and she always has these like perfectly ombre lips, and this is why, because she does this, and she did it on my lips, and I was like, ooh, that's pretty. So let me just add a little bit more since I lost a lot of it. Blending. And you do not need a lot if you do your lips like this. Like, maybe just do like that, like kiss each other, kiss the lips, and let them get a little bit, and then just kind of drag that down so you can get more of the lighter. Okay, hands down, Nimae Beauty did it again with this amazing collaboration with Glamazon 1026. This color is gorgeous. Like, y'all see that? Y'all see that ombre going on around there? Like, little hint of color. Perfect, 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 perfect. And then we have the king of makeup here, Darius, aka Neon MUA, with his Dusk palette. This I actually added a little bit more highlight, and I think I kind of like it. Let me just add a little bit more. It's not that I didn't like it, it's just I'm used to like deeper highlights, and this was not as deep as I normally would use on me personally, but I really like it now. Like, look at I feel like a hot girl right now. I feel real cute. And I think it probably was the lashes. The lashes kind of just set this off. And wearing lashes always makes me realize, like, my looks are missing so much when I don't put on lashes. Because I'm in a turban. And this is from L'Occitane. It's in my turban. And look how cute I look, y'all. But yeah, so this palette is so beautiful. It was so well thought out, and just... it's gorgeous. I'm going to add a little bit more blush because I am a blush whore. And I love blush, but I don't want to look like, you know, also that I don't want to look like a clown. But I do want to look flushed. I love looking flushed looking, and just, I would have loved the 80s when people wore blush all over everywhere, because that would have been my time to shine. Yeah, so this is definitely A1. You need it in your life. It's from Midas Cosmetics. They are an Afro-Latina brand, so go ahead and hop in there on their website and pick this up. You can pick up the bundle, you can pick up the PR package. She sells all those like that. And this is also where I got the eyelash adhesive that I used on my eyelashes, which I didn't show y'all, but it makes putting on your eyelashes super duper easy. Like, you literally just line it like you're doing liner and then apply your lashes. Easy peasy. And if I can do it, anybody can do it, because I hate putting, that is the main reason why I stopped wearing lashes, because I was like, it's too much work. So now on to the foundation, which was one of the stars of the show for this show right here, this review, this whole video. So I love this foundation. So I wasn't really worried about the foundation being a little bit darker than what I normally would go for, because I knew that once I put concealer and highlight and blush and all that other stuff, everything was going to balance out on my face, which it did, because y'all see this. Even though it's a matte foundation, like, I don't look like I'm matte, but I'm not like matte where it's all dry looking. You're still looking a little bit, some of my glow is peeking through. And you get 1.5 fluid ounce for $40. That's already above average with the amount of foundation you normally get. You normally get 1 fluid ounce. In any foundation I have is always 1 fluid ounce. I've never really had one that was 1.5. So big ups to Nars for giving us a little bit extra, and, you know, giving us a sustainable product that it can be recycled, and for also giving us a squeeze too, because now I can squeeze every little bit of this foundation out of this product instead of having to instead of having to waste product, because when you have glass in a plastic container, sometimes you're not able to get all the product out like you would want to. So I'm definitely feeling it. I hope y'all are feeling it. If y'all do get it, let me know, because I want to know how y'all feel about this foundation. If you think it's too matte, or if you think it's not matte enough. Is it transfer proof for you? How did it do in humidity if you live in a humid area? Nars, if y'all see this, I love y'all. Add me to y'all's PR. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm digging it. So it's 6:21 now, and I've had this on since about 11, because I kind of started good around 11 a.m. and I have not blotted. I have not did anything. My smile lines are, you know, they're a little visible, but not like, they're a little visible but not too visible where it's a problem. I had to take my lashes off because my braids kept swinging and it kept swinging in my eyelash, and I did not have my eyelashes on very well because I knew that I was just putting them on for the video. So my eyelash on this one swung off. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope that you know, my thoughts were very clear on how I felt about a lot of these products. Make sure y'all go support Neon MUA's and Glamazon 1026's collaborations. Like, honestly, you know, a lot of black folks don't get collaborations, and it is amazing to see like smaller influencers getting their bag. Like, they got collaborations. They got very nice, well thought out collaborations. Like this right here, this is amazing. Glamazon 1026, the girl is fine. She can do your nails, she can do your hair, she can do your makeup. Subscribe to my channel, leave some comments, like, share with your friends. You know, it doesn't take a lot to support your influencer friends. I share my videos a lot, and you know, it is what it is. Everybody isn't gonna like your stuff. Everyone isn't gonna share your stuff, but it means a lot. It means a lot when you do share the stuff and, you know, comment and repost and all that stuff. If you can't support your influencer friends financially by supporting their collaborations or whatever, just make sure you support them in a free way by reposting their content and making sure tagging brands that you may see them mentioning or anything like that, because that all helps your influencer friends. Because I mean, it takes a lot to do this. Like, this is not just a sit down, turn on your camera and go type situation. It takes a long time to get ready. It takes a long time to edit. It takes a long time to set up everything. So, you know, the support is greatly appreciated when it does come. I love supporting my mutuals as well. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will talk to you later.